Three, two, one. Good morning, everyone. I'm Rio Cha Vlogger. Hi. My name is Carl Francis and Moro. I'm vlogger this year. Today was watching machine every day. Yes, watching machine today was it today watching machine. So was in shorts and t-shirts. I'm rating test. While the wedding, the short and t-shirt. After this one, pillows. Wow, we smell like Downy. Love that Downy. I love that. Is serve active clean. Nah, where the serve active clean? Where it's watching water on the from watching the see everything to do. Today was here. Today was yesterday was in after the spells. Leah Payne was where spelled. Leah Payne was thinking words. Okay, here is the spelling words. Leah Payne, Liampeye. Sorry, thinking this is guys. I bet I know what's to you do. What's to do? Ah, that. I wait out. Turn off this. Turn off the lights. And off her. Wait out. Not off. Wait. Sorry guys, but the one star. I'll be just after there. I'll be just I better just the what's that? Tell. I watched it though was anime was gold. Anime called anime. I wait, we can do whenever move home. So like watching this tomorrow. This morning is Sunday. Sunday is Sunday. Sunday. Beautiful Sunday. Yes, beautiful Sunday. Okay. How was it though? What was it? After stated though was during 20s. Was during what to yesterday December. Tomorrow December was I don't think you can do was what happened to this Christmas Day was a special day with Diane Tayabas ever was very sad it's not go to high school was you can do bullying. Wait tomorrow was not tomorrow the letter tomorrow this Christmas party with I don't know the special one special guessing to I was already to I was at letter straight okay tomorrow bye with tomorrow it's washing machine to Sunday was today bye bye tomorrow and see you tomorrow was in yesterday quite after the finish but to finish while washing machine it's this year tomorrow bye bye I see you later.